I was sitting in a restaurant one day and a woman comes over to me, she's leaving, and she says, "Excuse me, have you ever seen yourself in a mirror?" And I laughed and I said, "Yeah." And she laughed and she said, "It's just that you walked into the room and it's like the whole room lit up, and I just wanted to let you know." And so I thanked her. And I reflect back on that day and I think back, and I think what it is I realize that I am that light. I just am. We all are. But it's a matter of embracing who we are, knowing what we bring to the table, and stepping into that confidence, into that greatness, so that we can allow our unique gifts and talents and abilities to just be. And so as therapists, hypnotists, being whoever and whatever it is that we do, we're able to get out of our way and to be that light. And so in my workshop, being an exceptional hypnotherapist, it applies to all areas, any areas. It's being exceptional in whatever you do. I'm walking you through, I'm shining my light so that you can see who you are, who you really are. And once you realize that, yeah, it's pretty cool.